Hey, hi. I recently listened to the April 22nd podcast from Meet the Higdons about improving your sales ability. They laid out 6 tips, and I've been incorporating them into my efforts, and I thought I would share them with you. So today is tip number 1, and we'll do the remaining 5 for the rest of the week. Here we go. It's tip number 1. Learn how to love sales. Now, many people groan when they hear that. They go, ugh, and they probably have a good reason for groaning. But the reality is, every day we're in some kind of sales, whether we're asking for a raise or we're interviewing for a job, whatever it is, it's all a form of sales. So what I've learned from Ray and Jess is that sales is nothing more than becoming a problem solver. You or your prospect has a problem, you hopefully have the solution, and it's really not about you making a sale. It's about them. It's about being their trusted advisor. It's about their why and not you making the sale. So that's it for today. Stay tuned. We'll talk to you tomorrow about tip number 2.